Hi, in this lesson I will teach you how to compose the melody for the road safety themed CycleWise singing game. First, head to Google and search for Chrome Music Lab. At the top of your search results, click on this link. This brings you to the main Music Lab homepage. Click on the top left-hand corner icon and you should see the main song maker grid. First of all, let's set the tempo or the speed of the song coming down to the centre of the screen. We can adjust the slider and set that to 85. Let's click on the settings wheel and we're going to change the number of bars to 6, then the scale to chromatic. Take a moment to check everything else is the same on the screen. So first, some beats. Left to right above your operating menu we have a drum machine. Let's put our first kick drum in here at the beginning of the first beat. Then let's move along to the second beat and up a level for our snare drum. Copy this pattern at the beginning of each beat like this all the way across and pause if you need to. Now let's start to compose some music in our grid area. On the first beat of the bar at the left hand side, we're going to count 4 boxes above the top line of our first lower octave. This is your starting note. I'm going to carry on composing the first part of the CycleWise melody, then I want you to copy it. So pause here and make sure you have the same notes as me. So far, it should sound like this. Okay, I'm now going to continue writing in the rest of the melody, so once you have watched this, copy what you see here. Your finished composition should sound like this. Once you're finished, don't forget to save your masterpiece. Then why don't you sing along and perhaps teach someone the actions you learned in school with me.